Coleen Rooney has hired a former Scotland Yard detective in her Wagatha battle with Rebekah Vardy, it is reported. The WAG, 35, employed ex-cybercrime investigator Matt Blackband to leave no stone unturned in their legal fight. 2. Coleen Rooney has hired a former Scotland Yard detectiveCredit, Splash. 2. Rebekah Vardy called Coleen a stupid cow in WhatsApp messages released last week. Credit, Splash. It comes after WhatsApp messages ordered to be released last week revealed Rebekah Vardy, 40, ranting about Rooney, saying, "Stupid cow deserves everything she gets." A source told the Mirror, Coleen believes the damning WhatsApp messages revealed in court last week between Rebekah and her agent Caroline Watt were the tip of an iceberg. Understandably, having been put in this position, she is leaving no stone unturned. She's confident of winning the court case as more evidence emerges. A legal insider added Matt is among the most outstanding operators and called him a great weapon. His involvement in the case came to light in a High Court ruling on Monday when he was named as Coleen's digital information expert. He has been an investigator for 30 years, including 21 with the Met Police, and helped to found the multi-agency high-tech crime unit. In one WhatsApp exchange, Rebekah Vardy discussed with agent and pal Caroline Watt what to do after mum of 4 Coleen unfollowed her on Instagram. Rebekah sneers, "Stupid cow deserves everything she gets. Hope she gets sold out massively now." In another message she says, "Not having her badmouth me to anyone, if she's doing that my god she will be sorry." Miss Watt apparently brands Coleen trash and says she's so up her own AE, while Rebekah calls her a nasty bitch and a C. Rebekah's lawyers insist she was talking about someone else. Coleen lost her latest Wagatha Christie legal battle this week, asking the High Court to add Rebekah's agent and pal Caroline Watt to the lawsuit. Justice Stein refused and ordered Coleen to add £65,000 to Caroline's legal costs. But Coleen, wife of former England footballer Wayne Rooney, is still determined she will win the case. Rebekah is suing her former friend for libel after Coleen alleged she leaked stories from her private Instagram to the press in 2019. The WAG, wife of Leicester City striker Jamie Vardy, vehemently denies the allegations. Their trial was due for May but has been delayed.